What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back. Man. Up early. Trying to get active, trying to get some things done today. Be working on several different things today. So the first thing I had to do in order to get the process started, had to come out here to my favorite store. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we already know what it is. Yep, it's Summit. It's that Summit Racing, you did. So I ain't been out here in Summit in a long time, man. I ain't been out here in a long time. But when I come here, every time I come here, I have a jam up time. You know what I mean? So I'm finna get up in here. Ooh, it look like they got like a Bel Air in the window or something. So I'm definitely gonna see what that be about. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. Gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash that notification bell, that way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get active. Yeah, y'all, you know I ain't been here in a minute, man. Summit got a whole lot of everything going on today. But as we notice, it ain't spinning. It's a Chevy Impala. I think it got a 348 in it. It's a nice one. It's a 60s. It look clean. But I'm concerned, man. I came up here to have me a good time, man. What's going on right here? It's missing. They missing at least 10 rolls. So now I got to see where all this stuff at. It's a good deal right here. Almost close to the seats I got that I'm putting in the car. They're missing all this too. Bro, I am disappointed. Alright, so just got up out of Summit, man. And I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I was slightly a little disappointed when I got over here. Only because like I didn't know that they were remodeling. I was going to come regardless, but I didn't know they were remodeling, man. And sometimes when you go to Summit, man, you just be so thrilled to get up in there so you can look at all the parts and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely wanted to kind of map out some stuff, and none of that stuff was in place. They're remodeling. According to one of their staff members, man, they're gonna be putting down some new floors or whatever. So they had a lot of the stuff in the back. But anyways, I went out there, man, show y'all what I ended up getting. So the objective for the day is to try to go ahead and get this camshaft in place. And in order to get it in place and to keep it in place, I had to go get a retaining plate. And then to be perfectly honest with y'all, man, I was hoping, I wish I could have got the, what do you call it, the sprocket kit, the timing chain and gears, and you know what I mean. And I could have gotten it, but to be perfectly honest with you, man, a lot of this stuff, man, I try to ask for Christmas and this, that, and the third, and then people be sending you the monies and all this good stuff for Christmas. I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna just hold off. I ain't gonna buy too much. I'm gonna wait till after Christmas and I'm gonna come back and buy it. But this the kit I ended up getting. A Summit kit, and with this kit, man, it come with like the sunken screws or whatever, man. If you know about like the LS's or the original LS's, they come with just like the regular bolt head type. I think it's like a 12-point bolt head or some shit like that. Can't remember what it is, but so the sunken screws gonna make it look a little bit cleaner, man. So this should be like a easy little situation to put in. Of course, with the cam, you gotta have all your lubrication and all that good stuff when you're putting it in, man. And when I built the last motor, when I built the one for the SS, a lot of that stuff, man, I still got left, you know what I'm saying? So I need to have to like buy like no engine assembly lube or any of that stuff. So we already got that on deck. So as soon as I get back to the crib, we're gonna go ahead and get working. I do want to get the dashboard in the Malibu like completely screwed down, this, that, and the third. Then we're gonna slide that in. That cam part shouldn't take that long. We're gonna get it cleaned up, get the cam bearings and stuff, make sure they're nice and clean, make sure the oil galleys are open, you know what I mean, that the cam bearings ain't been installed incorrectly. And then we're gonna keep on moving, you did. So as soon as I get back to the crib, man, we're gonna get to it. Oh! Alright, let's get this bad boy moved. So I got some space. Alright, so now I got that out of the way, you know what I'm saying, let the car kind of warm up a little bit. So basically, man, what I did was I went ahead and stuck this dash back in just to kind of check, do a check or whatnot to see if this glue, cause I kind of like, you know, I use a dash pad, y'all, dash cover to go in for the old dash. It was the quickest and most efficient way of doing this. But like when I glued it, as you can see, I had like a bunch of excess glue, so I wanted to see if this excess glue was gonna show even down up in this crack. Well, you can't really see it. Let me see if y'all can see it. But yeah, so like you see that extra white stuff right there, that's extra glue. So I wanted to test fit it to see if that glue was gonna show, and it don't show in the front at all, really. Yeah, it don't show really at all in the front, but like on this edge side, it show a little bit, but I don't know how important that piece is, because there's another panel that go right here too, so that might get covered up again right in this area right there. So I just wanted to kind of like test fit it to see what was gonna show, what was not gonna show. And yeah, man, it looked good. So we're gonna try to get this bad boy in. Now I'm thinking about it. A screw hole or something at the top. Because how does that part keep up there? I know I keep at the bottom. Alright, yeah, I gotta go back and check and see, y'all, how this top part go. How this part go up the top, because that's got to be up there. And I wanna say there's screw holes or something at these top parts. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back out. It might actually just stay still based off of that. But yeah. So we're gonna see what's up. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So as you see, I got junk everywhere. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. So this is like one of the reasons why I like doing things like ASAP and not waiting to the last minute to do it, because you know what always happens. You always start losing stuff. And what I've lost, what I've been trying to do, I ain't gonna hold you. I've been sitting here for the last hour and a half digging and searching and all of this good stuff, and I can't find them, so I'm gonna have to just order them. Which I know I could probably just go to Home Depot or something and then just kind of figure it out that way. But I've been looking for the bolts to bolt the dashboard down on the lower end. There's 3 bolts that go down here, and there's typically like 4 bolts or 4 screws that go up top. And so like right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to hold it up top. And typically, y'all, like I do a really good job of like labeling and marking screws and all this good stuff to where they go. Like for instance, you know, stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? You see valley cover, time chain cover, or whatever. Then I got over here. Now keep in mind, all this stuff was stacked up over here. So like over time, the bags and stuff get ripped, torn, because I'm digging through it. A bunch of stuff drop out. You would think like everything is there. I honestly think these are like close to similar to what I need. I honestly think this is one of them, to be honest with you. That one, it definitely look like one of them. But it's supposed to be like this for one of them too. So I think like that and these two, and two of them. I don't know what these are. But anyways, notice it says dash. All these weren't in a dashboard, I know better. You know what I'm saying? So this long one probably, most definitely was in the dash. But yeah. So, but this bag was ripped and everything. Can't tell me enough out of that bad boy. This was, yeah, this one was in the box, so I'm thinking this was one of them. But when I try to screw it in, it won't screw in. It's probably because it's rusty. But anywho, so with that being said, putting the dash in is a no-go. I'm gonna order a bolt kit. They're called dash to body bolts. So I'm gonna get them. Then I'll be able to come back in and get this taken care of. With that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take this back in the house because I can't do nothing with it right now. To be perfectly honest with y'all. Get that back in, and I need to get a new latch for, we need to get a new glove box and a new glove box latch. I'm gonna go ahead and take that back in, and then we're gonna go ahead and dive on the block. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cam in, you did, so stay tuned. All right, people, so as of right now, man, today is gonna be a bust for the kid. I ain't get nothing done. I did a whole lot of nothing, but I'm gonna get up first thing in the morning, come back out here and get back to it, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. So first and foremost, y'all already know I didn't have the bolts to get the dash in, so you know what I mean. Don't wait forever to do this stuff, man. You know what I mean. Once you get it done, get it in, get it out of the way, you know, on the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and get the cam in, but when I uncovered the motor, I did notice like some debris inside, just like little, I don't know if it's like dirt for just like being stored up or whatever, but this block need to be clean. It need to be clean. So what I did was I just went ahead and sprayed it for now with some WD-40 to kind of prevent it from rusting. I'm gonna get it covered back up. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get up and get it washed. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, you know, soap and water, this, that, and the third. Get it blowed out, dried, blow dried, or not blow dried, but we're gonna use the air compressor and dry it all the way out. And then we'll be ready to go, you did. So hold tight, but notice our cylinder's looking good. Ooh, ooh. Let me check this other one. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, we rocking, man. Also, man, just kind of like a quick situation. I went ahead and ordered the bolts for the dash, so they should be here sometime next week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that dashboard in as well. But by that time I'll have everything kind of like cleaned up in the inside, so we might just do the dash and go ahead and put the carpet in the whip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up, but stay tuned.